So now let's see how we can add in lower thirds onto video clips. So over here, I have a footage of myself right here. And let's say I want to add in a lower third right over here. So I'm just going to go around and then reduce the volume so that I do not hear anything out. So what I want to do is I want to add in an introduction right here. So I'm just going to go around and cut it and delete out this portion right here. And to add in lower thirds, I'm just going to go to titles right here. And then I'm going to go around into the included lower thirds option right here. So there's different lower thirds that you can import out. So I'm just going to go around and import out the one I like. Let's say, for example, I'm just going to go around and bring in this one right here, just like this. So it's downloading the content, and as you can see, this like icon, that means that it needs to download, but once you drag in, it automatically downloads that out. So if I were to play this out, you can see the lower thirds right there, just like this, as you can see. So I'm just going to go around onto this side because there's a bit of a talking right there. So I'm just going to cut this portion out, delete it, and this is what I have now. So you can see that you can see me right there, and you got the lower thirds right there. So you can go around and type in, let's say I'm just going to go around and type in my name right here, just like this. I'm just going to type in my name right here. I'm going to press OK. You can go around onto this one as well, and then you can work around with the different rotate and transform style if you want as well, and press OK. So once I do that and go around, you can see that this is what you have. So you got the lower third and my name right there. So if I were to delete this out, you can go ahead and then select out others as well. So let's say, for example, I'm going to bring in this lower third, then you can just bring that out, press play, and what happens is that there you go. There's the title right here, as you can see. So this is much different. You can go around and then you can type out, let's say, for example, I'm just going to say digital media specialist right here. So I can something like OK, and then I can say graphics designer right here, or video editor. So you can go ahead and then adjust this according to the way you want, just like that, and press the play button, and you can see that that is how it actually appears. And that is how you can work around with lower thirds inside of Filmora. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.